Post the distance Hart chart on the wall and sit 10 feet or 3 meters away from it. Place the worksheet on the desk about 16 inches or 40 centimeters away from you. Perform the exercise while wearing your habitual distance glasses. Look at the coordinates beneath the first blank. The first number indicates the row, while the second number indicates the column the letter can be found. Engage your eye's ability to focus to keep the numbers single and clear. Shift your gaze to the distance Hart chart and find the correct letter. Relax your eyes to change their focus to keep the letters single and clear. Now shift your gaze back to the worksheet and write the correct letter on the blank above the coordinates. Perform the exercise for 10 minutes a day, 5 days a week for several weeks until you reach the final goal.